Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh. And I want to apologize. I'm having major breathing issues today. Uh, so this is Burgh Unboxing. And it's nothing you haven't seen before, but since I unbox or unbag everything I get in the mail or delivered to me, here it goes. This is a replacement for the Walmart Fruit of the Loom sweats. And the one that they delivered two of them actually. And they're very soft and very warm. Except that I will have to get somebody to maybe lower these tailors because they keep dragging. And what's really odd is the first one was tight, the second one was loose. We will see what the third one is. But when they delivered this, the seam along, let's see, along here at the edge of the pocket had a big hole in it. For a brand new pair of sweats, this shouldn't happen. I'm going to check these. All right, there's no hole. Make sure there's no hole in the pocket. And there's sock bucket time. Sock puppet time. Oh, look, here's a string that's loose. I'm not going to pull that. But these are really great for the winter. And there you go. So this is a replacement pair of sweats. Because I can't go out in shorts now, it makes me gasp for air. And I woke up today with Friday the 13th's revenge. Yesterday was great, except I took my jacket off to go out back to the bus. I was sweating to death. My hat, my scarf. I think that's what made me sick today because the cold hit my lung, and I woke up and I've been gasping for 5 hours and 22 minutes. I woke up exactly at 8 o'clock. All right, let me check something here. I have the fluffy cat bed video, and it is now at 70%. So as soon as that processes, I'll be posting the video of Fluffy in the cat bed. And I just did another video that will go on YouTube as well. And then I'm going to go. Really hard to talk when you can't breathe and you're all congested. Then I'm going to go, where am I going to go? In a hot shower, maybe drink the shower, I don't know. And usually a long, prolonged hot shower will help open my breathing passages. And then I can breathe, talk, and function. And I still have to go out and feed the outdoor kitties. It was raining last night, and I can't feed them when it's raining hard. So, but there's no rain the last I looked, so I should be able to feed the kitties. If they ever do another live Star Wars movie, I'm willing to volunteer for the breathing portions of Darth Vader's voice. I find the lack of your faith in the Force disturbing. Thud. And I'm drooling, for God's sake. All right, this is George. Make myself laugh. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I need that breathing helmet from Darth Vader. Not the same helmet, but not even the device that helps you breathe. Have, oh, God. Have a great afternoon. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. God, I can't even say it. Stay warm and dry. Stay safe. And, one thing I've mentioned to my doctors, the Japanese kill all colds and flus and sinus infections because they get to breathe pure oxygen. It kills all bacteria in your nose. The doctors look at me like they have no idea what I'm talking about and that I'm nuts. They give me this look when I've asked for, prescribe me oxygen, please. Because I did that when I had pneumonia years ago in Oakland. It took a year to get rid of it, but it got rid of it. I had to go to the doctor 3 times a week and breathe oxygen for 20 minutes at a time. But they do it in Japan, and they don't get a lot of colds and flu over there because they have oxygen stations everywhere. All right. Have a great day, people, and I am out of here. Bye-bye for now. Oh, God.